Today we're going to be going through all of my art. I've put together all of my art. We are going to be going through them. I don't know why I'm doing this video because I'm not even an artist. I just did art. I don't know, I just like paint and it's like very therapeutic. Like after COVID I feel like I got more into art. So yeah. Anyways, I'll stop talking and let's actually get into the video. So I have this book right here, classmate art book. Obviously, like I feel like everyone owned this book when they were younger. I don't know which grade I have this book in, but let's just say I was in middle school. This is the first piece of art. During summer vacation, all of my neighbors used to go to like each other's houses and we used to have like a summer camp, and so like my mom used to like kind of like teach us how to paint, but not really. So we used to like get this inspo picture and then we would try and paint it. So if you can see over here, there's like yellow written and blue. So I was supposed to like follow it and paint. I mean, it's decent. The trees are questionable and the grass in the corner.
Yeah, let's just move on.
This one is actually pretty decent. And also this one I didn't paint the leaves. The leaves look pretty nice. I couldn't do that. This one I was like literally so happy with. I was even going to give it to my school magazine for the cover, but I didn't end up doing it because I think I wasn't allowed or something. I was like so proud of it and I kept like bragging about it to like everyone. I feel like no one actually cares. So tell me this isn't cool. Literally use masking tape to draw lines from a sketch pen. Yeah, my hand is so tiny back then.
Actually, not even that tiny.
This one, I went to my neighbor's house and I think it's a scene from Chota Bheem. I showed this to my neighbor's mother and she was like,
oh my god, looks so good.
I'm like, auntie, are you seeing this? Pencil shading. My mom gave me 8 out of 10 because I did this all by myself. This one I'm really happy with. This one, but I got a 7 out of 10 because my mom helped me with the dimensions of the bottle and everything. So keep this picture in mind because we'll come to it later. This painting literally made me cry. I cried because of this painting. It frustrated me so much because the paint kept going everywhere and not where it was supposed to go. This is it was supposed to be a galaxy painting. You remember when Sarah Beauty Corner was a thing and she had that like viral galaxy video? I tried following one of her painting tutorials, but then the paint was so sticky and the page got stuck on it and yeah, we can't even see it. I think this is when I was in 8th grade, but like it's abstract, so I basically took like a whole bunch of paint and like boom boom. Also, it's like 35 degrees and I'm not using the fan because you all won't be able to hear anything if I use the fan. This is my 7th grade sketchbook. I used this when I went to a summer camp. These drawings are actually decent. I'm not even gonna lie. Like,
I feel like if some artist is like gonna watch this video, they're gonna be like, your quality is fine, like what the heck?
look at that reflection and everything. What the hell? So at the end of the summer camp there was this competition, so you could select one of these drawings and then draw them and like for the competition. So I chose this because like it was very vibrant and cool, but unfortunately I was the only person in my category, so I just got a participation certificate. Cow, like what the heck is that? Is that a fence? Okay, wow. And yeah, we have a galaxy sky. Yeah, this one this was my second option for the competition, but I didn't end up choosing this. Cool. Yeah, that's it. Now moving on to my 3rd sketchbook. It's just like very ugly. I hate this sketchbook like so much. It's literally like so bad on the drawings. Like, we can't forget about Henry. Meet Henry. This is Henry. She's a girl. She has a ton of piercings. She's super cool. I look up to her every day of my life. She's amazing. On to this folder where I have loose sheets of art. So let's go through them. But we have these. I did this in middle school also. Because when those like scratchy things were copy. This is from 8th grade, and also this was I think my first Instagram story. So I took a picture of this, put on my story, and I was like, "How's my drawing? I know it's bad." And this is also good. This is this is why I asked y'all to remember, because I drew the exact same picture. I feel like this is definitely better, but I didn't use a ruler for this. So I saw this guy on YouTube where he used oil pastels and he drew like realistic paintings, portraits, and I was like, oh, that's so cool. So I tried doing it by myself, like without looking at any tutorial, and I ended up with these. Yeah, let's move on. These are the oil pastels. I followed a tutorial from that same guy, and realistic eyes out of oil pastels. Come on, this looks like realistic noses. This is a monochrome watercolor painting on SpongeBob. I'm actually really happy with this. And we have the painting. I actually painted this. I have a video on it. So I first did this, and then I did this, and then came this. I tried painting with coffee. So this is actually coffee, and then I wrote, why does the backside look so much better? Because like yeah, so that's pretty much all of my art, and I am not an artist again, so this was just a fun video to film. I hope you all enjoyed, and hopefully y'all see more videos from me soon. Yeah, okay, bye. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.